The ruins of the magnificent capital of the Aztecs today lie near the Cathedral of Mexico City. In the 15th and 16th centuries, this great temple was the seat of both religion and politics of the mighty, warlike Aztec people. Subject and allied cities would visit the temple regularly. The Aztecs' god, Huitzilopochtli, had promised his people a place where they would be the masters of a huge empire. In order to recognize this place, they had to find an eagle perched on a cactus, holding a serpent in its beak. They would then know that this was to be the special place where they would be lords and where their great capital, Tenochtitlan, would be built. Today, this site is known as Mexico City. The Mexico of the modern world looks with pride upon the symbols of its ancient past. The colors of the Mexican flag, green, white, and red, display at the center the eagle perched upon a cactus. The great temple of the Aztecs was originally a humble temple built in honor of both their god, Huitzilopochtli, and Chalak, god of rain. But as the Aztec nation grew in importance and wealth, the building became more impressive, painted in bright colors, erected in what was considered to be the center of the mighty Aztec Empire. The birth of Huitzilopochtli, the war god, is important, as he was considered to be a manifestation of the sun. To them, he represented the sun's eternal fight against the powers of darkness, a never-ending struggle reenacted daily. Just as Huitzilopochtli was born to combat his brother and sister, so the sun rises each morning to do fresh battle with the stars and moon and put them to flight. To help Huitzilopochtli as the sun in his daily struggle, it was necessary for man to provide the god with the most precious food that he can offer, his own blood.
The temple of Huitzilopochtli is recognized by the sacrificial stone called Texcatl in Nahuatl, the language spoken by the Aztecs. The sacrificial stone here is important because at major festivals and rituals, human sacrifice took place.
On the other side, at the entrance to the temple dedicated to Chalak, god of rain, is a sculpture of a reclining man holding a vessel on his stomach. The sculpture is known as Shakmul, a divine messenger between the priests and the gods. It was here that human hearts and blood were placed as offerings. Both shrines were originally decorated inside and out. We can still see pillars with paintings symbolizing the god of rain. A band of goggle eyes, typical of Chalak, painted in black on a white background. Below these eyes is a horizontal band painted in blue, followed by two red bands. According to archaeologists, the lower part of the pillars area was painted with black and white vertical bands, which may represent rain.